Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Meta AI on WhatsApp like a pro. So before we start, I'm going to explain to you what is Meta AI on WhatsApp. So it refers to AI powered features that is introduced by Meta, or as we know Facebook, within WhatsApp to enhance our experience. So the Meta AI integrates advanced artificial intelligence tools and capabilities directly into the WhatsApp platforms. And if you don't see the Meta AI yet, you need to be patient because it is being rolled out progressively in various regions and may require you to update your WhatsApp to access the new features. And let's just launch the WhatsApp applications. So if the Meta AI is already there on your WhatsApp, there will be this little icon. So when you click on it, it will direct you into the Meta AI. You can ask Meta AI anything, and here is the example that what you can ask to the Meta AI. For example, tell me a baseball jokes, or top NYC coffee reels, or good remote work routine. So you can just ask the Meta AI anything. So the Meta AI is designed to function as a chatbot assistant within your WhatsApp application. So you can ask questions, get information, or perform tasks like maybe setting reminders, or organizing something. And it is also use the natural language processing, so it can understand and respond like conversational language. And with the generative AI, the Meta AI can also help you to create image or craft something. So for example, let's try to make it or to use it to create image. You can see you can get answer to any question, express yourself, personal messages, stay private. You can tap on continue. For example, create an image of a cat eating sushi. Let's just try that. You can tap on enter, and it will respond to your prompt within seconds. You can just wait. Okay, so here is the result. So the result is pretty quick, and you can try to by your own to create the image. And the AI acts as a personal assistant. It will also help you to schedule, answering of facts, or searching the web, or even summarizing your task maybe. Okay, so you can also use the Meta AI for fun, such as generating memes, storytelling, or gamify features for entertainment. So try the Meta AI now, and you can also leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the Meta AI. I'll see you all on the next tutorial, so don't forget to click on the like, click on subscribe, and click on the thanks button. Bye!